Khaled's here. Today I would like to show you how to replace HDMI port in a PlayStation Slim version. The reason I'm posting this video because I have seen a lot of terrible job that has been done. So I don't know, there is still a lot of good materials in the internet, but I don't know, no one would see it, or the technician who get this job done, they don't have the right tools. I have no idea, but I just decide to show it to you guys how this is supposed to be done. And if you don't have the right tools, don't do it. Don't drill a hole in the board just to remove the port, or just to remove the port or put anything. Please get the proper tool and get that job done. Let's get started. Just put these stuff on the corner so you'll be able to see what exactly we're doing. So now how this smells, guys. Okay. So let's see if this clears out right now. I definitely have a lot bigger vision than what you guys are seeing, but here that is the new port, and we are going to replace it. So first thing, I would like to cover the Ethernet connector, just so you don't want to burn it. And it looks bad. So that's your first thing. Just cover the Ethernet cable connector like this. Just cover it as much as you can. And here, these are what we're going to remove. Okay. So, first thing first, apply some flux. So the way I'm going to do this, I'll remove this connector and I'll put the other one right away. After that, I'll make sure that all the pins are connected. So that's how it works. I apply heat from the bottom of the board, not from the top. just get the right position to be able to put the new one without removing all the old solder paste. Gotta go grab a cup of tea. Almost there. I think the pads are melting. And here you go. We got the old one. Still, I'm gonna keep using the same heat just to put the new one in. Same, keep everything same. So we'll continue heating up. Continue heating up. Here, this way. The other. All the way in almost. Now, we need to apply a little bit of flux because these 4 pins, 2 on each side, they are the hard one to get them soldered properly. I'll try to show this here to you guys. The camera and these stuff isn't really the best. Apply flux. And this floor solder, just get it so strong. It holds this like very, very well. So you don't have to worry about the thing will break ever again. So now I don't need the hot air anymore. So that's how it looks like. If you guys look from each side how nicely being soldered. Gosh. Here it is from this side. The back side, after a bit of a cleaning, it's going to be exactly as the manufacturer. Here, one side. Here's the other one again, just a bit of a cleaning. Let's see how it looks like. But before I start cleaning, I'll make sure that all of these pin has been soldered properly. Still, it doesn't have the enough amount of the solder. So you touch here every single one. Doesn't move, doesn't move. Here, this one is still moving. Doesn't move. So I got a few of these, they're still moving. So I'll try to use this new solder iron that I just bought. We'll apply solder paste. Easiest way to get it done, fast too. Don't really need to put too much. The pins will stick together, and I don't really want to lose my time trying to clean them up or separate them. I guess it's somewhere a bit even more than what I should. That's okay. Camera doesn't like too much of light. See if that's it. Here you see how nicely it goes. Just every single pin, you give it a touch, and that's it. You don't want to lose all of your time trying to separate those and stuff. Here, here. And that's it. Job is done. So we have to clean up, and that's pretty much it. I lost track of time, but it didn't really take much. Just have to clean. When you clean this, you really gotta clean it as much as you can, otherwise the solder paste will remain there. You could kill something, or you could burn the retiming chip if there is still a connection between any of these pins. So again, just quick clean. I know that my microscope camera isn't really good, but I never really intend to do any of these videos. The main purpose of that terrible job that I'm just keep seeing people are doing, and I'm sick and tired of it. I'll try to show some of them. because I really couldn't tolerate not to take a picture of this very, very bad job. As you see, that's what always bother technicians, how to get this nice solder done. Here. Now rocket launcher sign. Just get the right tools. Here. That's how it looks like. See, every single joint has been done properly. And yeah, I'll put it back together. And I hope you guys learned something.